This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So the next question is about, so can you tell me how to create a branch on Git and how do you switch from one branch to another?
You're on mute.
Sorry. So to create a branch, actually, the command we have to follow, like git branch. But before that, what we do, just type the git branch to check that which branch right now is on active. Okay. So after that, we can just create the git branch, then give the branch name. Then it will just create a new branch. And to switch that branch, there is a command is git checkout, then give that branch name, and it will actually switch to the new branch. So this is how we can switch from one branch, like the staging to test and test branch. This is how we can switch from one branch to another branch.
Yeah. So to extend more details, so of course there is a I'm giving the details how our environment works. So we have a production branch, we have a staging branch, we have a test branch. So this branch, actually, each of the environment represent each of this branch, the same code base. But when the developer works, we have our own branch. So we actually from our branch to merge to each of the dev branch, the test branch, or the finally production branch. So branch we create when you work on a specific feature. It can be the feature, new feature, or it can be the front end feature, or in the front end there can be a sub feature. So branch concept is, instead of touching the larger code base, you're actually branching your own the feature so that you are not actually interrupting with the main branch.